Let me see student question number 4. That is question number 4. Identify the like term from each of the following expression. So this is question number 4. We talk about the like term. So here you see students, this is the question number 4 part 1. That is A part. A part is here 9a square plus 3b square minus 4a square plus 2b square minus 6. And in B part here student you see that is B part. We can write here that is 2yz plus 3xy minus 4yz plus 9yz minus 19 over 2 xy. So students, I have told you about the like term. So like term, it means to say we have to match the variables power. So here you see the variable that is a, b, and here a and b. So here you see like term, it means to say that is a. So here this is like term, and here you see this is like term also. So we can write this as a like term 9a square and minus 4a square, and here 3b square and here 2b square. So here this is the like term, and we can write for B part like term. So here you see variable yz. So here is also yz and here is also yz. So like term here 2yz comma minus 4yz comma 9yz. So this is the like term, and same this way here you see xy. So here this is 3xy and minus 19 over 2xy. So this is like term. So the powers of variables we can make equals, and it takes this is the like term or not. So same this way you can solve C, D, E and F part. In question 5, write the numerical coefficient of each of the following. So students, I have told you about the numerical coefficient and variable coefficients. So you can see here. So this is question number 5. So numeric coefficient. So that is question number 5a part. This is minus 15 over 2 xyz minus 30y plus 6yz and plus 4. So here you see students in question number 5's A part, numeric coefficient. Here coefficient of xyz, so here minus 15 over 2, coefficient of y, so here minus 30, and coefficient of yz, that is 6, and here you see coefficient, that is 4. So we can write this same. And question number 6, write the factor of each term of the following. So I have told you about the factors it means to say in exercise 5.1 we have to write in product form. So same this way you can make question number 6 factors. Just like that, if you want to solve in question number 6, so this is question number 6 and first part 16 x y z plus 4 by z. So here we can write the factors. So 16 factors we can write 2 dot 2 dot 2 dot 2, and here x, y and z, and same for 4yz 2 and 2y dot z. So this is the factor of these numbers. And question number 7, write the coefficient of y square. I have told you in second questions about the coefficient. What is the degree of the term of the following expression? So about degree, the highest number of degree we can take only in any given expression. So here question number 8. So write degree. So that is here a part that is 4 plus y square, and here b part 4 minus y cube, and here c part 1 minus 2t minus 3t cube. So here we have to write the degree of following expression. So highest number of any variable we can write in degree. So here in a part variable that is given a, so highest number that is 2. So here degree we can write 2, and here this is 3 we can write, and here you see t cube, this is the highest numbers of any variable, this is we can write 3. So this is question number 8. And same this way, students, you have to write the degree of all the part of question number 8. After that, students, we talk about the exercise number 5.3. So exercise 5.3 we have to discuss. Exercise 5.3. So students, exercise 5.3 we have to discuss, that is add the following expression, subtraction the first expression from the second. So here in this exercise we have to only make subtraction and addition. So let me see. So we can take question number first. Question number first part A, we have to add 24xy, 19xy and minus 4xy. So we can write this by adding 24xy plus 19xy minus 4xy. So here we take xy common, and after that 24, 19 minus 4. So xy common. So from 24 we subtract 4. It means to say 20, and after that we got here 39. So we can write that 39xy. This is the answer. We can add this, and we talk about subtraction. So this is question number 5 we can see. So question number 5 is, how much is x cube? X cube minus 2x square plus x plus 4 greater than 2x cube plus 7x square minus 5x plus 6. So here you see, students, in question how much is greater than this number? Greater than this number. So we talk about subtraction, how much? So x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 4, and made subtraction, and before going to subtraction we have to put comma, second expression before 5x plus 6. So here you see, student, that is x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 4 minus the all sign of brackets and second expression had made change. So 2x cube minus 7x square plus 5x minus 6. So here you see, students, this is same variable we have to take, x to power 3, and here x to power 3. So here after that we got here minus x cube, and here minus 2x square, and this is 7x square. So this is 9x square, and this is x and 5x. This is, we can write 6, and 4 and 6 we can write as 2. So this is the answer. So minus x cube minus 9x square plus 6x minus 2 is more great than this numbers. Same this way, what should be added? Question number 6 you can also see. Question number C, part should be added to 5x cube minus 11x square minus 4 to get itna. So 5x cube minus 11x square minus 4, we have to add that number, it means to say z. This number we have to z, and after adding we got 10x cube minus 4x square plus 6. So students, here you can see this number, and we can take here z, and here 10x cube minus 4x square plus 6, and after that we can take this expression from here. So the sign should be checked, 5x cube plus 11x square plus 4. So you can see the same variable here, x to power 3, and here. So we got here 5x cube minus 4x square, and here 11x square, it means to say 7x square. Here 6, and this is 4, we can write this 10. So this is the expression. Same this way, students, you can do 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All question you can do yourself. So here we discuss, students, about the exercise 5.4 also. So let me see exercise 5.4. So in exercise 5.4 you can see this is if x equal to 2, y equal to 1. First question, x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. And here we find out the value. This is 2x plus 3. It means to say 2, the value of x here is 2. We put here and we can write, so 2 to the 4 plus 3, that is 7. So we can write here, students. After that you can see E part. So e part you also can take, that is x square plus y square minus xy. It means to say we put the value, the power of x, that is 2 plus y square, this is 1 minus 2 into 1. So here you see 2 to the 4 students and 1 minus 2. So here you can take 4 and 5, 1, 5 minus 2, it means to say 3. So in expression E, putting the value of x5, we get 3. So in second question also find the expression if a equal to 2, b equal to minus 2 and c equal to 1. So this is the expression. By putting the value we find out the value. So this is in exercise 5.4. we have to learn and we have to discuss here. If you want to take another question in question number this, so let me see question number 5 also. So of exercise here, so this is question number 5. Find the value, find value of ZQ, ZQ minus 3 Z minus 10 if Z equal to 10. Here you see student Z की power 3, it means to say we can Z की power 3 and 3 Z minus 10. We put the value here 10 की power 3 minus 3 Z 10 minus 10. It means to say 10 की power 3, that is 10 multiplied 10 multiplied 10, and here minus 3, 10 minus 10 equal to 0. So here 1000 we got and here 0, that means we got here 1000. This is answer, value of question number 5. So this is the total expression given here in exercise 5.4. By putting the value of given variables, you can solve all the questions.